How to configure OkkProxy in DICloak Browser. DICloak is an anti-detect browser designed to create and manage isolated browser profiles with customized fingerprints and network environments. By connecting a reliable proxy to each browser profile, users can route their web traffic through a selected IP address and location. OkkProxy provides proxy solutions that can be used with DICloak, including residential and other proxy types that support HTTPS and SOCKS 5 connections. This guide explains how to connect an OkkProxy proxy to DICloak, verify the connection, and assign the proxy to a browser profile. Before configuring OkkProxy in DICloak, make sure you have a DICloak account with the DICloak application installed, an active OkkProxy account, an available OkkProxy proxy, the proxy host, port, username, and password. A proxy type supported by both OkkProxy and DICloak. For the best results, prepare the proxy information in advance so you can complete the configuration without switching between multiple pages. Step 1. Get your OkkProxy proxy details. First, log into your OkkProxy account and open the Use Proxies section. Depending on the proxy product you are using, you may need the following information. Copy the proxy credentials from your OkkProxy dashboard. Step 2. Open DICloak and create a browser profile. Launch DICloak and sign in to your account. From the left navigation menu, open Profiles and click Create Profile. You will be taken to the Browser Profile Configuration page, where you can define the profile's general settings, fingerprint parameters, and proxy connection. DICloak allows a proxy to be configured when creating a new browser profile, so the profile can use the selected proxy connection when it is launched. Step 3. Select Custom Proxy. Scroll to the Proxy Settings section. DICloak provides several proxy options including No Proxy, Custom Proxy, Saved Proxies, API Extraction. For a new OkkProxy connection, select Custom Proxy. This option allows you to manually enter the proxy connection details provided by OkkProxy. DICloak's current interface also supports quick input, which can parse proxy information into the corresponding fields. Step 4. Enter your OkkProxy information. Enter the proxy information into the quick input field and click Analyze. DICloak will attempt to identify the proxy parameters and populate the corresponding fields automatically. Step 5. Check the proxy connection. After entering the proxy information, click Checking Proxy. DICloak will test the connection and display information associated with the proxy, such as connection status, exit IP address, country or region, time zone. Compare the displayed IP and location with the proxy you selected in OkkProxy. Step 6. Save the proxy and browser profile. Once the proxy test succeeds, save the proxy configuration. You can then complete the remaining browser profile settings and click Confirm or Create Profile. The browser profile will now be associated with the OkkProxy connection. When you launch the profile, its web traffic will be routed through the configured proxy rather than using your computer's direct public IP.